Data shows vaping is on the rise among teenagers here in North Carolina and really across the country. According to the FDA and CDC, more than 11% of middle and high school students said they've used tobacco products recently. The most common is e-cigarettes. Doctors now sounding the alarm about the long-term impacts of addiction.
A new study finds that more young e-cigarette users vape within the first 5 minutes of waking up. According to the Cleveland Clinic, kids are more vulnerable to nicotine addiction and may not even realize how much of the additive chemical is actually in vaping products.
The concentration, the amount of nicotine that you can find in a vape can be very high, and sometimes people may not be aware of that because the devices can be very small, so they don't appear to be a lot, but the concentration can be high. So sometimes one small vaping device can contain as much or sometimes even more nicotine than a full pack of cigarettes.
Dr. Umberto Choi is a pulmonologist at the Cleveland Clinic. He says many teens still choose to vape, and nicotine addiction can affect their brain development. When it comes to the lungs, vaping can cause inflammation and irritation, which can lead to lung damage. It can also make asthma or any other existing lung problems worse. Dr. Choi says the e-liquid or vape juice people are inhaling may contain cancer-causing chemicals and other substances linked to lung and heart disease. The long-term health impacts of vaping are still being studied.
Something that we still don't know is whether someone can have a long-term effect of vaping, and that's mainly is someone going to develop cancer, for example, or a chronic lung disease or a heart disease from that. It is what we see with regular cigarettes, that after years of use, someone can develop those heart, lung problems and cancer. But this is an unknown for electronic cigarettes.
Dr. Choi says statistics show teens are heavily exposed to vaping, especially in school. He recommends parents openly discuss with their children the potential consequences of vaping.